What are you doing today? So I'm working on a tool holder for a cultivator upgrade that we're working on. And so we've been making up all these different parts, drilling all these holes. One of the other guys has made all these up, and I've been mostly welding. So this is a tool holder that will hold the tine points in the cultivator, and I'll weld this up and then I'll go show you what it looks like on the cultivator. Tool holder there. So I'll take you out to the cultivator and show you what that looks like now. So this is the ones in the workshop where we've been welding these on. They're all done now, and this is our cultivator out here. So we've started moving them out, getting a couple set up on the bar, and got one that's kind of just put in here to show, just to test it, make sure that it's all going to work right. So it has that pin that goes through there, so it allows us to easily adjust for the tool to come in or out. So that pin goes in there, and I need two hands to do it, but anyway. And then if we want to adjust the tine up or down, we just adjust it with this pin here. So yeah, that's our upgrade on this cultivator. The old one, if you've seen a couple of my other videos, you'll know, but anyway, the old one had just clamp on, and every time you had to adjust something a little bit, undo a heap of bolts, slide it, move it, it was just a lot harder to make adjustments. So this way it should be quick and easy to either change tine points and or just make adjustments in the field. Just different paddocks react differently, and so you go from one paddock to the next and you need to adjust every tine point, by, I don't know, 50 mil out or up or something. And so to do that, all we've got to do is just run across and just slide a pin out and just move it slightly. So on that cultivator there's going to be 13 row units, and each row unit has 4 tine points on it. So, and then a 5th on the back, which is called an Alabama, which is, I'll be making clamps up for those soon as well. But then they go in the furrow and clean out the furrow. Anyway, so that's 52 tine points that you're adjusting, which by just pulling a pin out and sliding it, compared to having to get a rattle gun or a socket, and changing each one makes a huge difference. So that's why we're doing the upgrade. Anyway, I hope that you're having a great day also. I'm going to keep welding, making all these up, and I'll talk to you next time. God bless.